What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you live on Monday, January 10, 2022. Yes, I got it right. You know what's funny? I've been saying the wrong thing since the start of the year. I kept saying December 10, 2021 in January 2022. So I'm happy I got it right this time. Guys, this is another banging video to help you make money online, and this video is going to show you how you could make money online for a biking company. Okay, this is a senior data analyst position, and it will show you all the steps you need to take to land this role as a senior data analyst working from anywhere in the world. Well, if you're within specific time zones, but you can work from any country in the world within those time zones or where those time zones overlap. So that being said, or with that said, let's jump into it. It's a remote position, so you work from anywhere. Okay, international, and it's full-time, so you don't have to worry about the contract situation where you have to renew every few months or every year or whenever. And something to bear in mind, it is 9:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, January 10th. And at this time of recording, this video was posted 2 hours ago. All right. Now you've probably never heard of Komoot, but it's a play on the word commute, meaning to travel to or travel from. All right. So just to recap, international, anywhere, 100% remote, time zones, UTC1 and UTC3. Got it? Good. So a bit about Komoot. Komoot is an app that lets you find, plan, and share adventures, driven by a desire to explore and powered by the outdoor community's recommendations. It's Komoot's mission to inspire great adventures, making them accessible to all. And we're good at what we do. Google and Apple have listed us as one of their apps of the year numerous times. Okay, that's good. That means they have money to spend on you. Okay? Today, with over 25 million users and 200,000 five-star reviews, Komoot is well on its way to becoming the most popular cycling and hiking app for people who love adventures worldwide. Join our fully remote team and change the way people explore. So you can literally plan bicycle rides, you can plan hikes, you could probably plan camping trips using the app. Okay. So if you're new to an area and you're an avid cyclist, you can actually plan out your route or route, however you want to pronounce it, and smash that trail. Just like how you need to smash that subscribe button and the notification bell and tap that like button. Then comment and share this video with somebody you know who would be interested in data analysis. All right. Now, Komoot is a tech company where data plays a decisive role. As our new senior data analyst, your work will be invaluable in driving key product decisions. Being part of a cross-functional team, you will work closely with product managers, developers, and designers to improve the user experience of millions of outdoor enthusiasts. You'll surface user behavior, analyze trends, take part in shaping the product roadmap, identify the most valuable improvements, and measure their impact in A/B tests. Are you ready for your next adventure? Here's what you'll do day to day in your job. Turn data into actionable insights about our users to drive product decisions. Spot strategic opportunities in the data and help shape squad roadmaps. Design metrics to measure the success of key features. Create visualizations to highlight trends and user behavior. Build dashboards and continuous reports to monitor product KPIs. Design events to track new product features. Design and analyze A/B tests. You do an A and then you modify something and run it as test B and see which one performs better. All right. Next, organize and prioritize tasks of our data analytics roadmap. So, why you will love the role, or basically the perks of working for them? One, you'll work with a truly inspiring product that brings real life value to our users and empowers them to explore more of the great outdoors. And to be honest, I think the app did really well, especially during the pandemic, because when things loosened up a bit, people were so excited to go outside that um, they just went on the app, charted a path, and just went exploring. You know what I mean? So um, I think that led to a big surge in users for this particular app. Next, you'll have a self-determined job with personal responsibility to move things forward. Shape the processes and choose the tools you need to do your best work. You'll join an international and fully remote team spread across Europe with a common mission to inspire great adventures, making them accessible to all. We are a tech company with little organizational overhead, focusing on ownership and responsibility instead of micromanagement and hierarchies. Next, you get 38 days annual leaves, a whole month and a week. Wow. You get 38 days annual leaves, including public holidays, which vary by country. This is a remote role in a fully remote team. You are free to work from anywhere that lies between the time zones UTC1 and UTC3. Beach, the mountains, or a co-working space covered by us. You can work anywhere in between. UTC1 to UTC3, that's where they want you to be. And if you don't live within those ranges, do not apply. I just have to be straightforward. You'll travel with us when safe for team gatherings in amazing locations several times a year. You can check out this playlist to find out more about how we stay close while being remote. Next, you will be successful in this position if you love solving problems and have a burning desire to transform data into actionable insights. Have 3+ years of experience with product I butchered that one. Have 3+ years of experience with product analytics, cohort analysis, A/B testing, and retention analysis. If you're fluent in SQL and Python data analytics libraries, have great communication and team skills, have strong attention to detail. If you are familiar with statistical concepts, and lastly, if you have a hands-on attitude and are highly self-driven. If this sounds like you, great. We would love to hear from you. Please send us the following. And guys, stay with me to the very end. I'm going to show you something really interesting, really important. But send the following: your CV, curriculum vitae in English, highlighting your most relevant experience. Next, a write-up, which is a cover letter, explaining who you are and why you would like to work with Komoot. Next, you're going to share examples of your public, I almost said pubic, examples of your public work if you have any. Example, work on GitHub or a blog, like if you have a WordPress blog, like I do, and I don't even use it anymore just because I slacked off. But I'll get back to it one day. Okay? Next. If you're curious to find out more about our recruitment process, find out more info here at this link. At Komoot, we want to make great adventures accessible to everyone. We support diversity and inclusivity within the outdoors and welcome all prospective applicants. We have a rolling recruitment process. If this role is online, it means it's still open. We're accepting applications and actively looking for the perfect candidate. Is it you? Is it me? It says us. And I agree, baby. Jump in a cat. Anyways, perks. Dedicated time and budget to spend on classes, events, conferences, boot camps, or books for your curiosity and personal development. You decide. Get access to generous discounts from leading outdoor and cycling brands and more. Flexible working hours and locations. 3 all expenses paid company gatherings per year. The latest devices and equipment, and more. And guys, if you want to apply for this role, hit this button, right? And upload the information that they said here to upload: your cover letter, your CV, or resume, and examples of work you've done, right? Now, I promised you I would show you something else. Watch this. Watch this. Never have a limited mindset. Always have a mindset of abundance, right? Watch. The same company called Komoot, we just reviewed this lead, this one here, okay? Actually, no, I'm lying. We just reviewed the senior data analyst position. Okay, that's what we just looked over. Here's something really interesting. The same company has not one, the one reviewed, not two, senior software quality assurance, senior data analyst, three, senior backend engineer, see, Komoot, three, managing editor, 4, lead data analyst, 5, people and organization coordinator, 6, senior web developer, 7, senior iOS developer, 8, senior marketing manager, 9, senior data scientist, 10, senior cloud security engineer, 11, people and organization manager, 12, senior Android developer, 13, hiking community manager, 14, virtual assistant. No, I'm kidding. But they have 14 positions open. Can you imagine? They are hiring 14 positions. No, it's 14 positions, but it doesn't mean that they're looking for 14 people, because for each position, it's possible that they're hiring more than one person. One company is hiring a ton of people. All right. So you need to subscribe to this channel so that you can have access to these premium leads and premium ways of making money online. Speaking of premium ways to making money online, if you check the first link in the description, that has proven to be one of the best ways I've seen for anybody to literally start within a day or two. Literally start. And then you do it well, you can be up and running and making money in no time. It costs $7 to get signed up. $7 US. $7. No joke, no gimmicks, nothing like that. It's literally $7. I kid you not. You don't believe me? Click the link. You'll see my pretty face. You'll see some more information. It will ask you for your information, just your name and email address, because there will be times where specials come out and I want to keep you in the loop. You enter your name and your email address. We won't sell your information or anything. It will take you to the video that explains everything in detail. Everything in detail. So check that out. Hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, share, and look at all these leads from this is just one company. And if you check out some of my earlier videos, you would see that there are leads of how to make money using affiliate marketing, how to make money starting a t-shirt business. You learn how to make money using apps like GetResponse. You learn how to make money doing things. You could use services like transcription software to transcribe audio into text. There's things like what have I covered? I've covered jobs where you could type, as in, yeah, like transcription, where I've covered things where you can work on Fiverr, working on Upwork, how you can actually combine several businesses. For example, you may have a t-shirt store, for example, and you have your clients or customers' email addresses. You could be making money from them using GetResponse by promoting like your YouTube channel, you know? So watch my videos. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know where you're watching from. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching. I hope one of these leads helps you or someone you know out. So share it with someone. Share it on your social media platforms. And guys, Happy New Year. I hope you are happy. I hope you continue to stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.